Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. First off, let me see all the fish lovers put their hands up. Yes, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Keep them up, baby. In today's video, I will be making some brown stew fish. Have you ever tried this recipe before? If you have, comment down below. Also, what is your favorite fish and how do you prepare it? Without any further delay, let's get right into the video. As you can see, the fish is currently frozen, so I am going to leave that to thaw for a few minutes by adding it to a container and pouring some water on it. Now that it's thawed, it is that time where I scale it, clean it up, and then I will wash it. I am going to wash it with some lime water and I'm also going to wash it with some vinegar. Then I'll just add a little fresh water, rinse it off, and we'll get into the seasoning process. These are the seasonings that I will be adding to this recipe. Remember, it is up to you to add the seasonings that you like, the seasonings of your choice. These are my choice. So I went ahead and put some black pepper on my fish, and then I will be adding a mixture of paprika, jerk seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, thyme, and parsley leaves. I am going to rub that in a little and then I will be going in with my blended thyme, scallion, and onion. I will also add a little pepper just for flavor. After rubbing all that seasoning in, look how pretty that is. Awesome. Now, what I am going to do is I am going to leave this to marinate for a few minutes. It is up to you to marinate your fish however you like. Guys, please excuse my pot with all those marks and all. I have scrubbed it, washed it, and that's not dirt, it's just due to scrubbing, I guess. The pot is currently on the fire. At this point, I am going to add some oil to the pot that is on the fire. I am going to leave it to eat properly, or leave it to hot properly. It was just so fascinating to just stand and watch these bubble burst. At this point, I am going to go in with some garlic and a piece of pepper. It is now that time when I'm going to add the fish pieces in. I am now going to turn these so they can fry properly on both sides. I am using a fork right here, but it would be better if you use a tongue so you won't be able to break the fish apart. The tongue will grip both sides, so it will be a lot less risky to, turn your fish. I have turned these about 2 or 3 times, and at this point I am just going to remove them, rest them on a piece of napkin so they can drain off the excess oil. At this point, I am going to pour a little of the oil in another pot so I can make the sauce for the fish. Guys, I'm not going to lie to you. I would usually add a little more seasonings like my sweet pepper, some fresh scallion and thyme, and the old works. But I just didn't have any at this point. So I just want you to know that you can always mix it up a little, put your touch to it, and add whatever seasoning that you like. Just put your preferred seasonings in. All right. For this sauce, I added some carrot, onion, dried parsley, dried thyme, and I also added a little milk. Then I had some ketchup, the seasonings. Then I went ahead and put my fish in. I also did went in with a little browning. We can't leave that one out. This is almost finished, guys. I just added a little seasoning and some ketchup, and I'll leave that to simmer until it is done. Guys, this is the finished product. I am going to plate it, and yes, this is how it looks. I have served this with some rice and peas, some cabbage on the side, and a little corn. Thank you guys for always tuning in time and time again. I just want to express how much I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. This is the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye.